Hi, welcome to House of Anna. I just wanted to share with you some of my latest thrift store finds and how I flipped them to make them part of my Christmas decor. I found a big box of spindles with the thread all still on there in various colors and sizes. I found a package of these little salt cellars. I think I got about 6 or 7 of them for $10. And I also found this really great wreath that just needed some tender loving care. Um, and you can see that here. I took all of the things off of it except for that big poinsettia flower. That was a really faded, and I flocked it and made it new and added some of my own elements to it. And I basically just, took some of my crafting supplies that I had and created these little projects. Unfortunately, I lost the footage of me making them, but you can recreate these very easily for yourself. So I'll kind of just give you an idea of how I did it. So for these, I just took the spindle with Mod Podge glue, and I used battlefield snow. Any kind of little sprinkly snow kind of material would work. And I coated the outside with Mod Podge to seal in the thread. I rolled it in the snow and the glitter, and then I used various things as the base. The largest one, I used a soy sauce bottle with some old beads and little cotton balls stuffed in. I used a smaller thread spindle for one of them, and then I used some of those salt cellars for a couple of them, and then I used a salt cellar for the shortest one as a topper for that tree. It's a really easy project, and they just came out very sweet and very vintagey looking. These colors go really well with like my mid-century kind of vibe that I have going on, but they would work in a lot of decor. And then these came out so great. I used some of the little salt cellars with a twig and some dry moss that I had, and then also just some parts from some picks and some snow. Put that all together, use my glue gun to stick it in there. And these trees are so sweet. They're like little winter bonsai trees. This is such a charming project for these salt cellars. These would look really great in a village, like if you have a Department 56 village or a winter village. This wreath, I flocked it with Woodland Scenics flocking and Mod Podge, and I used some Dixie Belle mud to make the snow, and then I flocked over the poinsettia using the Dixie Belle mud and flocking a little bit of that battlefield snow. And I added my own elements, some pine cones and some pistachio flowers that I have made. And this adorable angel ornament, put a little flocking on her. And then I also added a very simple hanging ribbon. It's burlap with a sequin down the middle. This wreath is vintage in a good way and in a custom way. I was able to keep some of the elements but make it my own. So I hope that you find some inspiration from what I've made, and I hope that you make your own. If you found value in this video, please like the video, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Have a Merry Christmas and a safe holiday season. Thank you for watching.